Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own earrings. So firstly you will need these earring hooks. I am using these because I'm not entirely sure if wire is safe for your ears. So I'm just using these. I got these from a jewelry making store, and I also got a pair from old earrings I wasn't wearing. So you could get those there as well. So you'll need wire, beads, and earring hooks to make the first pair of earrings. So firstly you will need a very soft type of wire. Reason being is that a soft wire is easy to work with and it's really bendable, so it'll make your work a lot more easier. Next you're gonna take a very small bead and then just run it through the wire and get it to the middle of the wire. So once you get to the bottom part, you just have to fold it into half and make sure that at the bottom it's a little bit more secure so that the bead could stay in place. And so once you have done that, you just have to twist it to make sure you lock it. Make sure at the bottom it's a little bit more stronger than the rest, but after that you could just go on and twist the rest. So yeah, once you're done twisting, it should look like this. I've already made two and you should do that as well. Next we're gonna put on some more beads, but first I want to show you a little trick. So you could use a glue stick to round it up, but you could do this without beads just to get nice plain twisted loop earrings, and you could do that without the beads on, and it should look very nice and round if you prefer loop earrings without any beads. So I honestly think it looks nice without beads, but I will put the beads just to decorate it a little bit. So now all you have to do is put through a bead. This is a little hard because it's already rounded up, so I suggest you do this before rounding up the wire. So I might just have to undo it to make it a little more easier to get the bead group. So yeah, once you've got the bead group, try to round it up. I'm just gonna use the glue stick just to make it a little more rounder. And yeah, it's not as perfect as before, but it'll work for me. So just make sure to twist the two ends and then just twist again the part with the bead, and while you're twisting it, try to make sure that it comes out at the top and not at the bottom. And then just leave the other side open, that way we could just easily hook on the earring hook. And then just take the earring hook and just put the wire right through there, and then just put it down to make sure that it doesn't fall off. And then once you're done doing that, you should have something that looks like this. I'm really loving it though, it looks really nice and the movement is really cute. And then next we're just gonna go on and make the other half of the earring pair. And then you're done making your first pair of earrings, nice loop earrings with beads. So for the next pair of earrings, you'll need earring hooks, beads, and a chain. So the beads I actually got from old earrings. I also got the hooks from there too. So I also did cut up the wire into two small pieces. They both are exact same size. So all you have to do next is to just hook on the bead onto the wire and just close it. And once you close it, it should look like this. So next what you have to do is to just put on the chain onto the earring hook and make sure to close it so that it does not fall off. And then you're done. Now you have yourself 2 beautiful pairs of earrings. You should try these at home. They're really easy to make. They don't take much time. And also you could comment down below what you would like to see next. And also don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also to like this video.